Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to learn about GoHighLevel Power Dialer. I will show you how you can make a workflow for Power Dialer and how you can use for your business and how you can do calls and how you can do automations on the respond of call. So without wasting time, let me dive in video and I will show you step by step. So first of all, we need to go to in a workflow, automations, and we are going to make a workflow. By the way, that's a GoHighLevel. I just white label it with my custom coding skills. So I just go here and I will just create workflow. I'm going to start from scratch, and here we can say power dialer. I just add a tag contact. I'm just running on a base of tag, but it's up to you, whatever trigger you can select, or either you can just directly add number in the workflow. So let me create here and I will assign to user. Here we have assign to user, and you can select a particular user. In my case, I'm going to select Ahmed, and I just add this. And here we have another action that's called manual call action. I will select it and I just do the manual call action here. So that's a workflow. I just make it public and save it, and after that I just go to the contacts. Here is our contacts, and I just say I can add these two contacts in our workflow. I just simply go to here, go to automations, and we have workflow. We can select this. That's a workflow. Send it all and just put action name test. So we have sent these two connection into the these two connects in a workflow. I just simply go back on our contacts and I just click on it, open this, and here you can see we have power dialer ready to go. Just simply click on it and it start calling on this number. And after that we need to purchase these numbers and these things. Right now I have don't purchase anything. You can just purchase it. That's how your power dialer work, and it will be in progress. If the caller is busy and if they have any other things, they can redirect to the other stage, and accordingly they will automatically redirect to the other number, then other number, then other number, then other number. It's ongoing until you not break it, or you cannot do it stop manually. So yeah, that's it from it. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's GoHighLevel agency we are managing. If you have any GoHighLevel related task or any job, simply go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation, and I will jump with on a call and I will guide you step by step, and it's a free of cost. Yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video.